Hi everyone, this is Captain Mark with Captain Mark Reviews. Today I got a review on two different portfolio type cases for the iPad Pro 11 Pro Max. Both are nice quality, a little bit different style. I think you're gonna like it, so let's get to the review. Today I have two portfolio type cases for my iPhone Pro Max 6.5. And we're going to start out with the green one first. This is just the basic green color. I got this color to match my midnight green. This one is genuine leather, very nice feel to it. Heavy duty construction, I like that. It has openings on the bottom for the speaker and the USB-C port. It has your opening on the side for your on-off. Very nice. It has two magnets on the side that lock together. You can hear them click really tight, so it's hard to pull apart. It has an opening in the back for the camera, of course. Plastic or rubber. It's more of a rubber style plastic that goes all the way around the camera. It has the slots in for the credit cards and for any kind of cards that go in there. Most important part about this is its RFID blocking. That's to keep your cards from getting scanned by thieves. So very nice. Also, one really nice feature of this, it has a kickstand for it. So you can pretty much put the kickstand in any position you want, see movies or YouTube videos or whatever you like. So I like this. This is a really sturdy, very high quality case, and it's by FYY. This iPhone iPro Max wallet case is by BCOV. It's a camo tree leather case. Has the same protection all the way around. Has the opening for the power and the speakers, of course, the USB-C. Oh, a nice opening in the back. I really like the color pattern on this one. This is why I got it. It's really nice, soft leather on there. It has a strong magnetic clip to it, as you can hear. Has the soft rubber type protection all the way around it. As you can see, this has really nice quality leather. It has two slots in there where you can put your credit cards or any kind of cards you want in there. Paper money goes in on the slot on the side. Keep it nice and tight. This one does not have the RFID blocking on it. This also has the kickstand. You can watch movies with this or watch your YouTube videos. All in all, I think it's a nice case. So if you think the information on these was useful in purchasing one or both, why don't you hit the subscribe button down below and hit the bell to the right. Thank you again. This is Captain Mark with Captain Mark Reviews.